Hello, I'm Ainsley Wolf, and today I'm going to show you how to make loaded baked potato soup, a spin on a traditional and easy dish to get you cooking like Grandma. Let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to show you today how to make, and actually it's a Depression era dish called potato soup. I have done my own spin on it. My grandmother was born in 1922. And she made the soup, and my mother was born in 1940, and she made the soup. And basically it was boiled potatoes with some milk added in and some seasoning, and there you go. My family likes what we call baked potato soup, and so we end up garnishing it like you would a baked potato with your sour cream, your green onions, cheese, and some bacon pieces. I take and I boil my potatoes first. And I boil them with the skin on to give it the baked potato flavor. And so I have done that, and I have boiled about 4 pounds of potatoes here. And then I have roughly mashed these potatoes. I have taken, this would have been 6 potatoes. I have taken 4 to 5 potatoes, and I have pureed them with a little bit of the water because it's the starch water. And then I took a cup of water, and I have boiled in bacon pieces and green onion to add some flavor to the broth. I will add the potatoes, and then I will add in my milk, sour cream, and some cheese to give it the flavor that we want. And then we will go ahead and garnish on top for the final dish.
So as you can see here, this is our bacon pieces and green onion with our roughly mashed potatoes added into the mix. It gives us that texture that we want so that it's not just soup. Now I am going to add in our pureed potato mix. And we're going to let that kind of blend together. So we're going to stir this to make sure we're not scorching the milk in our soup. And we are going to add our dollop of sour cream. For me, this is about a dollop. I'm going to do 2. So there's my 2 dollops of sour cream. Mix that in. We're going to let this kind of meld together in the pot. It's okay if it looks a little bit clumpy with the sour cream. We don't mind if it separates. That's part of the baked potato flavor to this soup. And finally, I add in cheese so that it goes ahead and melts into the soup and gives it a base of a cheesy type flavor. We're going to let that all simmer for anywhere from, I don't know, I would say 5 to 7 minutes. And then it is ready to put into your bowl and garnish to serve. Okay, and here is our final product, ready to go with our garnish, and it is ready to eat.
If you would like to see more videos, click the subscribe button and give me a like. You can join my email list, and I will send you my free Get Cooking PDF. And I will see you later.